Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do a speed test online. So if you want to check your speed of your internet and you want to test this, then you don't need to install any external programs. All you need to do is type this in your Google browser. Just simply type in speed test and this will work on Google Chrome. You can see internet speed test and it will determine your internet speed in under 30 seconds. To run that test, simply click on Run Speed Test, and now it's going to give you the speed of your download and your upload. First it's going to do your download, and if you have a good internet connection, then you want to have at least 10 megabytes per second, at least, if you have a bit of a good internet connection. However, it will also give you some more information once the speed test is done. So we can see right here that my download and upload speed is exactly the same, and it will say here if your internet connection is good or not. Your internet connection is very fast. Your internet connection should be able to have multiple devices streaming HD videos, video conferencing and gaming at the same time. So this means that my speed and internet speed is just really quickly. So yeah, that's how you can check your speed, your internet speed over on Google. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.